who are doing exceptionally well academically and wish to go outside the country on scholarship to further their studies, but their environment does not allow them to go any further. Their dreams can only come true if your honorable office considers giving them permission and provide them with proper traveling documents. We also request that those who do not square the points that enables them to enroll in universities and colleges be enrolled in nearby government vocational institutions such as Musetsi, Marobela, and Tutume brigades. We would be highly grateful if this matter is given urgent solution, which will come as a rescue to our children who are literally idling in the camp. As it is said, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Director of Ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Minister, currently the majority of refugees are from the countries which they can't return to. We wish there could be an increase on the quota for local integration. Honorable Minister, let me send my apologies. I know that the government has nothing to do with the resettlement program, but allow me to take this advantage of the UNHCR representatives' presence to ask if there could be an increase of the quota on resettlement program. We understand that it is a process, not an event, but we kindly plead with you to find ways of solving this challenge and have a closure.